So I remember seeing this coming. I yelled like, "Hold on! Baby, it's okay." A girlfriend called me and said, "My baby is sick. Can you take us to the hospital?" I remember looking up into the rearview mirror, see the baby, and I see this big, huge, full-size black pickup truck coming up pretty quick on our rear end. You can hear the impact. Baby, it's okay. It was a brutal impact. If anything would have happened to that little girl, I don't know how I could have dealt with myself. So I tell the officer my story, and he's like, "Well, it's your word against his. Can you give me my phone?" I said, "I want to show you something. I don't need to see anything on your phone. I have a Nexar traffic cam. You can view the accident through the eyes of the camera." He just looked at it, he watched it a few times, and he said, "Well, this changes everything."